Hello and welcome to today's demo. Today I will demonstrate the feature of limiting the number of workspaces that all users can run simultaneously. We'll see how to configure this limit and what happens when a user tries to exceed the maximum number of allowed workspaces. Let's start. To start, we will configure the maximum number of running workspaces to 3 in the cluster configuration. This ensures that no more than 3 workspaces can run simultaneously across all users in the cluster. The configuration has been updated. We have now limited the number of running workspaces to maximum of 3. Next, let's check how many workspaces are currently running. At this point, there should be 2 workspaces actively running. As you can see, there are 2 workspaces running at the moment. The system should allow one more workspace to be started, but any additional attempts beyond this will be blocked. Now let's switch to another user and attempt to start a third workspace. Since we already have 2 workspaces running, this action should work. However, starting one more than 3 will result in a error. Starting the third workspace and starting the fourth workspace. As you can see, we encountered an error. Even though we attempt to start the fourth workspace, the system has prevented this action because we've hit the configured limit of 3 concurrent workspaces across the cluster. No more workspaces can be created at this point. To help you further understand this feature, let me show the relevant documentation where this configuration are explained. Here is the documentation explaining how to set limits on workspaces and other related configurations. You can refer this for more details on how to manage workspace concurrency in your system. Thank you for your attention. Feel free to ask any question.